All right, folks, a lot of times younger generation doesn't know how to roll a cigarette. So if you need to know how to hand roll a cigarette, watch this video. First, you take your paper, zigzag 1 1/4 is a great paper to use, good size. So you take that initial paper and then you make a second fold, like so. You use your paper package to pick up the tobacco, put it in your paper, and then you're going to spread it out evenly, except on the ends you're going to put more, because that's when you twist, some of the ends is going to fall out. If you don't do that, you're going to have skinny ends, you're going to have a thick in the middle, and that doesn't work. So again, how it is here, if you can see it, I'm trying to show you here, more to the end. And so you've got it in your finger, with this finger here, and then this finger on top is pressing down on the tobacco. And then you have your thumbs in the back. And they're pressing down as well. And so you're starting in the middle. You're going to start in the middle, and then you're going to press down. And then with your thumbs, you're going to slide your thumbs out and the paper, and then you're going to twist. And do it again from the center to the out, and then you're going to let the remaining crumbs fall to the table. Pack in if you can. And then you're ready to lick. So again, to hold the ends to keep the pot from folding out, the tobacco from folding out. Lick, twist again. And how hard you're twisting is going to determine how tight the cigarette is. If you twist too tight, it can make the cigarette hard to hit. So you want to make sure it's enough to hold the tobacco in place where it doesn't fall out. So again, this is a nice one. It's tight enough where the tobacco's not, and it's not perfect. I mean, you have a little hump, but that's how you hand roll a cigarette. Have a great day. Be good to yourself.